back to our program Belajar Bersama. This program will make learning even more fun and exciting. As I said before, we will have some more fun. Are you ready, friends?
Yes!
Great! Miss Desi, let's begin.
Okay, Sandia. Before we have the quiz, I have something for you guys at home. What do I have? Okay, so this is an exercise for you. Please write down the questions and do it at home, okay? Angela visits her grandmother this weekend. What time do you go to sleep last night? I don't eat my breakfast this morning. Do you go to school yesterday? And the last one, David doesn't do his homework last week. How do you do it? Change the sentence below into the correct simple past tense form. So I have explained about simple past tense. Now it's time for you to do it. Okay, please do it by yourself. All right, so are you ready for the quiz now?
Yes!
All right, so my first questions. So it is a spelling bee quiz. What animal is it? Students at home, do you know the answer? Here, anyone knows about this animal? Okay, let me help you for this one. It's a sloth bear. How to spell the sloth bear? It's S-L-O-T-H-B-E-A-R. Is that right? Okay, so this animal called sloth bear. Okay, it's okay if you cannot answer for this time. What about the next questions that I have? When people cut or burn down the trees in the particular area, how do we call this? Students at home, do you know the answer? Anyone knows? Okay, so please come forward. What is your answer?
My answer is deforestation. When people cut or burn down trees in a particular area, it is called deforestation. It is called as deforestation.
Can you help me to spell?
Yes, I can spell it. D-E-F-O-R-E-S-T-A-T-I-O-N.
Let's check the answer. Deforestations. Very good. Have a seat, please, and give applause.
Wow.
Okay, ready for the next questions?
Yes!
Very good. Okay, I have mentioned this animal. What animal is it? Anyone knows? Okay, what's your name?
Josia.
Josia. Josia, please come forward.
This is a hawksbill turtle.
Hawksbill turtle. Okay, how do you spell it?
Hawksbillturtle.
Do you think his answer is correct?
Yes! Yes, yes, yes.
Very good, Josia. Give applause. How is it, Josia? Okay, next questions. How do we call for the almost extinct animals? Oh, I have explained about this already in the beginning, if you still remember the answer. So how is it? Do you know the answer? Okay, what's your name?
Vivaldi.
Okay, just come forward.
They are called endangered animals.
Endangered animals. How do you spell it?
E-N-D-A-N-G-E-R-E-D-A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Endangered animals.
Endangered animals. Very good. Have a seat and give applause, please. Endangered animals. Okay. Ready for the next questions?
Yes!
Yes! Oh, what animal is it? It went extinct around 4,000 years ago. Anyone can answer? Okay, please come forward.
Inhale.
The animal that went extinct around 4,000 years ago is the woolly mammoth. And this is how you spell woolly mammoth. W-O-O-L-L-Y-M-O-M-M-O-T-H.
Woolly mammoth. You sure with your answer?
Yes.
Let's check it out. Oh, very good. Give applause. I still have another questions. Can you help me to answer, Sandia? Let's see the questions.
Okay.
How do we call it if people hunt, fish, or harvest unsuitable level?
Overhunting.
Overhunting? Okay, so how do you spell it?
Overhunting. Overhunting.
What do you think? Is that correct?
Yes.
So it's overhunting. Wow, very good, students. All right, so today we have do so much fun, Sandia. How do you feel?
Oh my God, I feel so amazing, Miss, because our topic is about extinct animals. So, friends, do you enjoy it? Yes. Great. Okay, friends, I have special quote for you. Melindungi binatang langka adalah tindakan nyata untuk melestarikan kehidupan. So, friends, jangan lupa selalu saksikan program Belajar Bersama yang akan membuat belajar semakin seru dan menyenangkan. Of course, with different topic in each episodes. I am Sandia Jayanti. We'll see you in the next episodes. Friends, let's sing together. Okay? Okay. Let's begin. T-Rex, T-Rex, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?